coffee was a quarter. She filled up my cup when it was low. An hour of driving, we're almost to the border. The rain and dark slowed us down your Blencoe. We could barely see the road. The rain had turned to snow. The radio stopped working, but the wipers kept time. We talked about our wishes and the future we couldn't know. She shared all their secrets and I told her most of mine. And she said, will there be heartaches? I said, I don't know. Will it work out? I said, I don't know. She asked, are you afraid? I said, I think so. I was looking out the window into the dark. We made it to Sioux City and up to her doorway, middle of a cold and nervous night. The creatures of the evening had all come out to play, but we slept in silence till daylight. But something told my heart to ease up and take it slow. It hadn't really healed from the year before. Stay cool, stay calm, and never, never show your hand. But when she smiled, I threw that out the door. And I asked, will there be heartaches? She said, I don't know. Can this work out? I don't know. I said, are you afraid? She said, I think so. 'Cause we're both looking out the window into the dark. We're both looking out the window into the dark. Into the dark. Are we still afraid? We're looking out the window. We're looking out the window. We're looking